Hey, what's going on, viewers? I just found this little creek right here in the back country here in Florida. I think I'm in Lake Wales or Frostproof, something like that. But yeah, it's an old crossroad, and I found this creek, so I'm gonna get some worms in the water and see if we can catch some fish. Stay tuned. All right, guys, I got a fish on. See what we got. All right. All right, check it out, guys. That nice big tilapia. All right. Check it out, everyone. All right, just got a nice tilapia. That's one of the biggest. That's one of the biggest fish I've caught in a while. One of the biggest tilapias I've caught in a while. All right, look at this fish, guys. Check him out, guys. I just caught him right here in the back country. All right, nice tilapia right here in Florida. Pretty fish. Caught him on a worm. All right, pretty tail. It's a pretty big one. Haven't caught one this big in a while. All right, stay tuned, guys. Let's see if we can catch some more. All right. Just caught that nice tilapia right here in the back country. I didn't even know he was on. See if we can catch some more, guys. Just got bit just now, so let's see if we can bite again. Right, there he is. There's a fish. Come on. Nice size fish in here. Oof. All right, guys, I think I found the spot. They've been biting on this side. There's a fish. What we got here? Ah, just a little bluegill. Definitely not what I expected, but I'll take it. It's a little bluegill. Let's let this guy go. Let's see if we can catch a big tilapia. All right, guys, got a fish on. Fish on. Stay tuned. Don't know what it is just yet. Looks like a nice tilapia. All right. Another nice tilapia right here in the back country. All right. That's another decent sized tilapia right there, about the size of my hand. Just caught one a little bit bigger earlier. All right, let's get this guy off the hook and into the cooler. All right, let's go. Fish are on today. Sun's going down, the fish are on. With that nice evening bite. Get that nice evening bite in. All right, if you guys like this content, be sure you hit that like, subscribe, and notification button. And I'll be bringing you more fishing action right here in Florida. And also you'll get a notification when I post new videos. All right, nice fish. Fish On Outdoors channel. Stay tuned, guys. Hit that like and subscribe button. All right, viewers, that does it for today's video. I got to start heading back, but we were successful. I caught 2 nice tilapias on worms, and these guys are going to go home and jump in the frying pan. Some good eating right here. So if you guys like what you see, make sure you stay tuned to that Fish On Outdoors channel and hit that like and subscribe button. And you'll be notified when there's some more fishing videos coming out on the channel. So until next time, guys, stay hooked. See you on the next video.